Hello, everyone. Hi. I think we should start now. I mean, we've already spent 5 minutes waiting for everyone. Welcome to our 8th virtual session of Wednesdays with Women in Tech Maldives. We are pleased to have Dr. Ahmed Ibrahim here with us today, and he's going to be talking about cryptography and steganography. Dr. Ahmed is a lecturer at the Computers and Security discipline in the School of Science of Edith Cowan University, where he teaches subjects related to cybersecurity. His PhD research is focused on detecting covertly hidden content in digital objects and electronic communication. Some of his notable industry engagements include vulnerability in assessments, security architecture reviews, security audits, website security assessments, desktop reviews, and risk assessments for the federal, state, local government, and critical infrastructure providers. Our role as a nonprofit organization is working to inspire, empower, and celebrate women in science and technology. We aim to celebrate and accelerate the growth of women in science and technology by creating opportunities that foster innovation and build the community. Our previous sessions had been about computer security for tech professionals, information security, CQRS, designing no-code technologies, artificial intelligence. And we have uploaded all our previous sessions to YouTube channel. We've got a channel called Women in Tech MV, and we would be uploading this session there too shortly. As we are about to start the session, we would like everyone to be open, and you can type in your questions in the chat box, or maybe raise your hand, and if we see it, we'll be asking you to, continue on with your questions. Without taking much time, let us just begin with the session, and as you always say, have fun learning. Ahmed, over to you.
Thank you, Nisha. Assalamu alaikum. Para bada shukriya mi fursato Women in Tech organize ko dini thive. Then majority noni gina mihon emmen rajyan kanne ge hem division session koriya gendani. Okay, so miyadoge topic ki keeping secrets secret. Emben screen fennada kama ummedu kura. Awada screen share ko fenga. Okay. Session Feshomoge Kuring Adagamating Hemio Sada ice break all and Swad and Hala. So why do we have secrets? Masalene Maikung respond to curious noni chat window respond curious. Me Asumi Swal Hamoge Varabud Magsadeng Abe. Baki huri bage wahagata dekkumoga emme mama I just want to gauge
secrets emme kai nobunam vegen secrets
it sounds a little bit controversial the kivegen he sidru hunnani the sidre bonema hiwe dana kanne tankole me ehen kahala ichike astuga ehen me secrets se bunia mega me bunani sidru kuranje kommecha en asluga rangal suwalaki misalaka secrets hunnanyamon kiha value etto ti kurani e sidru ta rakkatere ko bahatta mi suwalage muhimmakam ki hagegatuga security design kuraroga noni security every system introduce kuraruga wara muhimmakam ei kuranti ulani kikan engon security lumuge magsadu ebengenje magsad enguni ma hisabun ingene lamvi kiha warakatto security misadaka waki hardware noni software gannanyamon kuranje haradaki ko bakan noni yamon users kiha warege inconvenience ekkan security control ke sabun kurung rangali mikala balance mega gengulenje h security ke ms secure h ki nivvala fa bodufutalla fa na computer but that means it's not usable. So what are we trying to secure? Why are we trying to secure it, and how valuable are the things you want to secure? So wara muhim suwale kolla miyaduge me presentation noni miyaduge demonstration ga දක්කාද දෙනි එච්චකි බොඩ ෆෝකස් කොල්ලානේ ආම්මකෝ මීහොන් ඔන්ලයින් කෝ කොමියුනිකේට් කුරාරු එම්මෙගිනම් බේන කුරා එකච්චකි වෙබ් මේල් මිසායක Gmail Outlook noni Hotmail mikala public based email ebgengule then email on communicate kuraruga eba fonuwe ekikale chi miaro mieduge toga nodakkanan mi chat kura applications ge wahage ei miedu introduce kura bike hala concepts ki waragina amuko mihar bena kura chat applications misalaka Telegram Signal, WhatsApp, mikade chiga inbuilt features like misalaka WhatsApp Signal mikade chiga mihara bebenu kure end-to-end encryption kiya chehemema miga sababun miyadu midakkadan ule baikala manual process ta eti automate kofa inna ehemema eka miyadu kunudana miyadu boda wahaga dakkadani misalaka emailun etche miheka fonwa iruga ei sirren nama kihinatto eti emme secure communicate kureveni adi emme fasihe ekan kureveni kihinatto then ehmema mieduge main topic ki encrypt kuraruga email fonwa echi sirru fonoma fahuga sirru den alum computer ga rakka kureveni goi ei misalaka file me fonovi secret file fonwa fiamon computer ga salamakama ko bahatani kihinekkan me deke wonu dewahake ki mulin devatterege encryption beno kura eche chita medo boda kawa kollane furtama demonstration adiyuma kurin dakkadana kommeswaraka mi theory e bunavidana ekamuko eha bodaka theory ba ekan nodana so presentation feshuma kurin promise kurin ane organizers emme 4 slide beno kurana emme furutama 3 slide count noko baki inna emme 4 slide so it's not death by PowerPoint encryption ge wahaga dakkaro aamko me honnani devatterege encryption furutama echki symmetric encryption demme aamko me kiyani asymmetric encryption deetige tafaataki encrypt kura iruga symmetric encryption ga emme furutama ආමුවගෙන් encryption ga beenum mikorani key nuwata password nuwata secret token ne encrypt koran beenuwa message encrypt koran misalaka mita example ge me dakkadani me ahmad aishata me wahak me dakkani ahmad beenuwani aishata comment sidre fonova ham aishatas beenuwani ahmad comment sidre fonova eruga demihum ves encrypt koran me beenum korani password not a key ehme meetiga nokunna challenge ki key leak wechiyamu not ehe mihaka miki livichiyamu ehzab muli system breakdown de mege fada ki ekamuko symmetric encryption ka beenum me kora algorithms ki fudewaraka efficient rangalo strong algorithms ehmema me horihatches me base me wani kiya key rangala nubadatta fa kitemme warugada talella finas it will break down ama misalaka mihara amuko me beenum kura password tavis me bunani strong password beenum kurashe digu password beenum kurashe badi password beenum kofiamu kommekala system kavis miheka bada vidana don ehmema me symmetric key ga inna bodu masale ki emme key beenum kogge encrypt kuranives anek kolon receive waruga ena ete read kuran beenum ebe beenum hama encryption key meeti me masala hallu kuran wegen me ufeddi asymmetric encryption nota eyan kiya ule public key cryptography eves asymmetric encryption ga beenum kurani devatterege kiye fonwa mihage innane dekiye so that's called a key pair ekachege private key en anakachege public key emema private key ki atuga bawa rakka teriko safeguard ko fa bawan jene key then public key ki me mnws aamukon haamu kurvidana key එහෙම මිසාලක බේනම්වනි එහෙම මීහකු encrypted message අහමද ෆොනවා බේනම් වෙච්චියාමුන් අහමද මිජහෙනි a public key මිසාලක අයිෂත දෙන් එහෙම වෙම මේ ස්ක්‍රීන් එක මෙෆෙන් නැහෙන් අහමදගේ public key ඔන්නන්ජේ අයිෂත අතුග අහමද secret message ෆොනවා දැන් මේ ෆොනවා secret message open කරවෙනි හැම එකනේ අහමද අතුගොන්න private key එහෙම අදී අයිෂ් කුරින් දක්කාදී එතිහෙන් මිසාලක අයිෂත ඒති ලොක්කො ෆියාමුන් එනෙන් හැම ඒති අලුන් අන්ලොක් කරවෙන එකමකෝ public key cryptography එක නෝනියාමුන් asymmetric cryptography එක වාගතකි අයිෂත ඒති ලොක් කරම ෆව ඒති හුළුවේනි හැම එකනේ අහමද අතුගොන්න private key එහෙම මේ අස්ලුග මේ ඊමේල් කොරාරුග බේනුම් කරා එච්චකේ මේ ආමකොම් මේ කියන්නේ PGP එකේ pretty good privacy ඒක long form එකේ then PGP උපදිගෙන් ආරුග ඒක දිගු history එකේ එකමකෝ ඒති මිහාරු බේනුම් කරන්නේ open PGP කිය standard එක දශක PGP කිය වගේ branding ඉදේ so that's something else එකම මිහාරු ආමකොම් මේ PGP implementations එක මීහුන් කියා ඔලනි ආමකො refer කරන්නේ හැම PGP එක කියා then gina misaka Mac noniyamun Linux platform tawga amuko hunnane GNU PGP install koffa already so which is called GPG ekam amuko hanenkas me common term enge me huriya hsika refer kon ulani PGP ehme PGP beenon koggen mibuna webmails through ko encrypt ko email phone wida me දැන් විශ්නාවේ කීවගේ කොම්මෙන් webmail ko ෆොනවා එච්චි encrypt කරන්නේ මිසාලක අනක සම්බර දාන්ජහන එකල ෆුරදම අහලි සුවාල how much do you value your secrets එහෙම gmail කහල එච්ච බේන කරන්නාම gmail ක හුන්න හොරියා email ලකි gmail වෙස් කියන එච්චි එහෙම gmail කාරිගේ සබ බුනවේ ඒකි ගාමුතකු ගොන්න ඒකි authorities තකු මෙවැනි මීහෙගේ ඊමේල් දක්කාශේ එහෙම මේ එකහල හාලතෙක්ග මිසාලක මීහෙකු බේන නොවේදාන එමිහික අවිල්ල private information නොනියාම secretly communicate කොෆු හොන්න එච්චේ එහෙම බයික ඉගෙන් එහෙම එකහල හාලත්ත උග අධි public web mail බේනු කොරිකමුග වියස් PGP බේනු කොෆි නම ඒ ඉන්නනි secure වෙෆා So as long as you keep your private key safe with you. Then PGP ke masale ki me phishing aruga PGP beenun kuri zamana ki wara boda me command prompt based on a terminal based zaman take ehmema e implement ko for tools taka e di beenun kuravunu goy fudeveraka මේ ආමු මේක බේන කරවර තංකොල complicated උඳ ගොතක බෑවර manual process තකේ වේ එහෙම මිහාරස් එකි platform තවග PGP බේන කරන්නාම එකි මිසයක Windows වෙච්චියාම PGP for Win GPG for Win කියා application එකේ Mac වෙච්චියාම GPG suite කියා application එකේ මේචි එළුම ෆහෝ මිසාලක අමිල්ල email client integrate කරන plugins තක වෙසුරේ දැන් මියදක හොරිහාචිස කවේ නොකරවෙන ඒක බදලග මේ විස්නි we have මේ platform agnostic solution එකදා ගින මිහුන්න කොම්ම කහද platform එකස් බේනු කරවෙන්න කහද option මියදු කව කරන HKey so let me switch to this මියදු කව කරානි Mailvelope කියා browser plugin එක Yeah, Mailvelope by the way, I'm not getting any commission from talking about Mailvelope, okay? But Mailvelope happens to be a really good plugin you can use in any web browser. A advantage is alaka Firefox benum curious, Chrome benum curious, Comet benum curious, major thing browser hadamane. Me plugin install kolluma fa none extension install kolluma faho komme kahala webmail එක වෙස් integrate කොල්ලම කී උදව් කමෙන්නවා එහෙනම් මේදුගේ demo එක දක්කලා දෙනනම් gmail උම් වෙස් adi me Outlook bes secure ko communicate kurevana go. So we'll go through this step by step. And furtama kamaka me mailvelop ke interface dakkala fa ane browser ga sida scratch on install kollagen initially set up kurevana kotakachi dakkala. So like any plugin, you can find it on your toolbar. Misalaka browser ga toolbar ga inidana install koffa. Just to confirm, you can see the screen, right? I'm assuming you can. Okay, so mailvelop ke options suluwalima me in the interface ki then megan manage keys ke waha kamhiri dakkawa and kurim buni heng keys adiyama me huri havis emme muhimmachi ki me. So this is the key that you are using. Key beenum koggen me encrypt kurani key beenum koggen decrypt kurani ehme key generate kurima amuko fennani mihin. So me alung a key generate kurage dakkal dena kuda erukurakum eka mihar hameke dakkalam beenumone generate koffenna key innanaga me den tankola kuring me demo create kol account but encrypted emails fonuwan hadage mihar Outlook on in me account block kolla. So I had to actually open another account on Gmail to do this demonstration. Okay, so this is what it kind of looks like. So let's get back to Outlook. I mean, Outlook on mifennani Aisha toge email account. Ehme Aisha beenum vani key generate koffa Ahmad den Ahmad Aaron Sidro email kureven Aisha da. And furtamanon me extension install kollana. So mi beenum kura browser ki Brave ga beenum kurani Chrome ge backend and ehme Brave ge install kura extension ki ves Chrome ge extensions. So it's compatible. So you can just go to the web store. Mi har mi huluwadani Chrome ge web store and I search for Mailvelop. Okay, here it is. This is fairly straightforward. Okay, meharu extension install vefa mindi fenna extension. So extension at dium of faho. The first thing you will do is you will generate a key. And miharu Aishat meulani Aishat ge key pair generate kura. And kurin dakkali heng key pair ga meanani public key ka private key ka. So what Aishat will do is go to Mailvelop, generate a key. The mitag mijahalani furtamanu misalaka bavaru email accounts gengule kama vanyam komme key ves meanani email account ka associate with eme bavaru emails gengule nyam bavaru hama key pairs generate kofa betti dan and mivagutu demo taka mijahalani. I think it's Hotmail. Okay, so let's just confirm. Yep. Hey, email address ki Aisha to 17 no Hotmail. Okay. For the email address mijahali, then advanced options balali vidana meeti aneheng me furta me innani kong algorithm betto beenam kurani me PGP. So you can just leave it as RSA. That is good enough. An alternative algorithm is the elliptic curve based algorithm. It's currently stated as experimental. So I'll just leave it as RSA. Then key bit size key generate kura key ge size ki havarakato inna ekala password HFS jahar me password diguwa varaka password strong way da hama egota key size ves boduwa varaka eti break kurang undaguane. So me have by default mail envelope negi meannani a large bit size. Then meannani key expiration date. Now expiration ge maane key generate kuruma fahu misalaka beno nokorada waraginu dus vedane noniyamun key gellidana he mikada haletakuga key abuse kuriya nudem wegen dafina feature ni me key expiry date jahafi niyamun ega maane ki misaka 12 months fahun expire wa gotan hadafiyamun you have to renew it every 12 months. Then mega ahalan jehen suwala ki ehen hedima ebaje komme faraku key alon distribute kuran noniyamun if you forget then again that becomes an issue as well. Evem hanekkawe sahadan jiyan suwada key vegento me ulani me secret email communicate kuran. Evem beenun kura halataka bina koffa me setting hadadim rangalwan. So for this purpose, I'm just going to leave it as open so it will not expire. And for the password, this is the password that you will use to unlock your private key. Password ke beenuma key private key meannani store fa amilla computer ga. Me beenum me kura browser ga meindi plugin install kofa mail envelope. Me browser ge profile ga me information innani store fa. Me password ke beenuma key ekkala private key encrypt kofa beendo. Misalaka mihako computer waganneki nagafiyamun ves me password rangalo strong password jahafiniyam at least your private key is secured that way. And bitaga border rangali hanekas digu long password strong password beenum kuriyam ekami demo ga fasihe ka miharu ijahalani tankola handanpuram fasihe password. So if I forget, then it becomes another hassle. Okay. Then MFAO option mean any upload public key to mail envelope key server. Okay. Mega ebula dekame. Now key server igge beenama key internet ga MN access kurave gota in a central database gota visnidane. Then a database ka mihunnani huriha MN ge public key. Misal share kura MN ge public keys mihunna. Misalaka me no es danna miheku beenum wani ahumadan email kura beenum vechiyamun ahumada secure kon email kuranya ebe beenum ve ahumaduge ekkala public key e public key ahumadu emiha nodiyo tiyamu kinen he emiha email kurani amuko fennana by far by website tawga hunnane jahada fa timanna menge email address ki miye timanna menge PGP key ki ये क्या by far हुन्ना ने जहाँ का ये मी है को email कुरान बेनुन नामा बेनुन कुरान फांसी है का कोफ़ेन को देंगे एकम को मिसाल का key server का लाफे नियामों आमों को में बेनुन कुरान PGP programs तकों ए server ते search को लाना email address जहाँ लीमा निवेन email address के public किए बाइन तो ahmadu ge email address jahalima server ka share koffa niyamo erun libene public email encrypt koffa email koruma then me gonna ane flip side ki hanekkawas ekkala suwala dani ki vegen he me ulani sirra malumat fonowa misalaka bay mi hunge kura masakkatuge gotun beenu nuedana ehem heka ingen secret share kura kames ehmema bayen hadetta uga secret share kura kan ingunimes e masale ka vedana ehmema public key server ka medani timanne secret share kura kiye ki miye evs me ko secrets fonom beenu me encrypt ko fa email fonom beenu me meet beenu kura em e hisaba mol duniyan inguni ti ekkala encrypted email beenu kura me hekkan then misalaka e sirru muamala kuran gengule email address kiwe sirru echennama hisabun enguni emmenna e email address kiwe skobaka ehme public key share korunaga beenuma ki waki mihaka identify wa gotan e share korun ehme e එගොතන් associate කුරවෙන්නාම ස්පයින් හාලෙත්තන් හොරේ ඒක ෆහරක්ග මස්සලේ දිමාවේ දාන එහෙම මේ අබුදිස් එක්කල සුවාලහනක සම්බුරා මිදාම් මිදියන කිව්වගෙන් හේති උලන සිද්රෝ සිද්ර ගොත බාබා එහෙම so depending on your circumstance හාලතකම් share kurumuges masse denne eka mushya kuri masse deka wa halatu se baad ehme mewagutu mijahani key server nula me demo ganu minu jaha server ki me temporary email address after this demo I will probably delete this account so don't try to email me on that account okay so I have disabled the sharing on the key server. All the settings are there. Very important to check the email address. Click on generate and we have a key generate word. Okay. And we have the key generate word. And megan we have mivaguto mifenna malumat hinga balada. So for the tamakama ki meeti valid day me bonani valid day bonaga mane ki ekkadero kurin bonihem misalaka key alum beno nukurani nonia a key generate kuri beno noni ehem mi key beno koggen email ehem vechanama key share koffa hunna mihunna engumattaka revoke kolla vidana revoke kurima ekkadehen central key server ka share koffa iniyamun eron ingene public key income uga vias e key ki mihar beno kurevene key එහෙම ඒ මක්සදන් ඉන්නේ චෙන් දැන් මේ වගුතු එහා බොඩ ඒ relevant නෝ මේ valid keys පේනක මේ වගුතු මෙවරනේ එහෙම මෙහර කුරින් එක expiry date නමගා හිනීම එනනේ expiries වකීචෙන් එක්කම එහෙම මේක මුහිම්ම දෙමාලුමාත මෙහර ෆෙන්නන් ඉබෙන් ෆොරතමකම key id එකී ඒ generate කුරි key identify කුරන් ඉන්න unique id then misalaka mi hekkari mi bunani timanne email kollashe timannage key id eki miye bunima ekkala hen kuriga key server ka share ko feniyamu key id beno koggen wes retrieve koremene emege public key e identify kuran fasihe gote misaga ahmad kiya baawar mehem ulena do ehem mema email address jaharuga wes kuda issue en oledana noba email noni wara wattaru email address jegen wes olun arafana ekam key id di feniyamo that's a more accurate way of identifying then mitaga muhim anettan kola key fingerprint ehmema fingerprint ki sida a key identify kura unique cryptographic signature mane ki secure ko generate ko fainna a key ge fingerprint ai එහෙම fingerprint එකේ was unique එච්ච ඉන්සානෝගේ fingerprint එක දෙමි හැග්ගෙන් F fingerprint එක නෙන්නානේ එහෙම fingerprint එක මානේ කි මිසාලක එහෙම මීහකු අයිෂතු කමන් හෙදිගෙන් public server එක ලී කී ලහ වුණනි තිමන්න කි අයිෂතේ මේ තිමන්නගේ කි එහෙම එක අහමදන් ඔලිගෙන් ඒරොන් ෆොන් විදාන දෝ නොබා මීහක නොබා අයිෂතක noni e hedigen wole aishata encrypted email ema ekala halategga public key ho dumafahu aishatkari hidane kobahe aishatuge key ge fingerprint ki misalaka telegram kala echchekon ero message kolle venado timannage key innane timanne key ge fingerprint ki miye ema we have precaution minagani sida mi email kurani ragala miha ekka secrets නොබෑ මේක ගොස්සේම මුලින් මස්සල ගෝස් වේදෝ හිසාබු එහෙම මේක මෙෆෙන්න මාලුමාතවගේ එම මුහිම points එකේ එහෙම a key id is basically this last bit of information from your fingerprint so they are closely related mihar mendi aishatuge key pair generate kureifa so Aishat has got a private key and Aishat has got a public key so now mihar me beenawani ahmadan aishatuge public key phono so emme fasihe gotaki public key ahmada email kurum eron igen ahmad karbona minotiye public key kya email ka mikan koremena gotaki miga mina export feature so you click export korima mi annani mi public key එක. මෙහර ෆෙන්න මෙන්න text කොලකි public key එකි public key start කරානේ මේ hyphens තක එක්ක begin pgp public key block මිහිසාබම් ෆෙෂිගෙන් ගොස් නිමෙන්දෙන් මිහිසාබ. So this whole thing is the public key. And meet kolo copy kolla for texting him with email kolle vidane. Noni yamon file ka save ko for text filing him with eti amudan email kolle vidane. So me public key ki then private key ki me. So this you don't share with anybody. This is what you need to safeguard. Okay. Mega me dakkadani, the private key is also there. But what we want to share is the public key. Private at them a warning gives ara just to let you know you don't share something by accident. Okay, so let's save this. Save kurima annane me. Let's see where can I share this new folder. We save the desktop game folder. Kolla we are with any Hotmail, Outlook or Live. New mail. No, this is not the correct email address. Let's see. Generate or find email address. Okay. Ahmad 17. Alright, here it is. Hey, me Ahmad email address Gmail. Me have attachment in here. Milani eruga. Generate query public key. So this is the public key attaches and okay. Email Jehifamindi. So Miharami Fonwali Ahmada. So now let's go back to the Gmail. Just like all live demos, things don't work. Let's see, why isn't the email coming? Okay. Sure, I sent it to the right address. I will again kollanam if email work kureto. Okay, let's see. Right. So that worked, but Korean phone we HNR. Okay. Let's try something else anyway. Miharumi Masalechi Dimavim a troubleshoot Korean interesting one. Miharo me work no kurima kurevena anen option obe ei ekada texting hen eti fonwale vena do gamia hamagamis text ki fonwena etche. Let's see, export. Okay, copy to clipboard. Meet no dam we sabe no na. Yep, it's that one. And we have the texting and paste kolla. Also, I'm okay attachment and phone with then I don't know why it's not going to Gmail right now. Here it is again. And let's send this. Okay, you like. Mihar mean the text hang at the ass. Then Mihar me Gmail me Aranita highlighted. Though click to import. Mihing me ara sabaki asuga mail velope me Windows machine going Firefox ka mail velope already installed ko fainima. Ehemega mihim me arane because mail velope detected that there is a key in the mail body. So if I click on it, it will very conveniently import it. Then me ga benge me Aishat phone check key idea key me excuse me key ka fingerprint key me. So once you confirm it, it is added to your key ring. And mihar mean the Aishat ge public key add of me tafate me kurin generate ko fen key pay mitag fenna meanani. So I can always benge the key me public key meanani fenna make an M key ekota. So that's Aishat's public key. And mihar Ahmadan phonovena Aishata encrypted emails. Mihar mean the kurin phonowe email is asamindi. It's very strange. Attachment and phonowe makanne. The arrow attachment and phonowe file mean the Aishat pub.asc. So this is the file that was sent as an attachment. And because the phone if you have a attachment download kolle vidana computer download kolla fa. So here it is on the desktop. May save it. Key management agos import agos. You can just add the file from the desktop. We have then already import coffee. We already have this. Sorry, import key. Confirm. Oh, it's updated it. So it just overwrote it with the same public key. Okay. And we have public key import kurayfendi. Then we have benomani secret Ahmad phone. So Ahmaduge email address key. Ahmadu. No, we are not sending to Ahmad. We are sending to Aishat. Sorry. Aishat. Aishat me email me kurani. Then here is okay. Me mail will install coffee name. Me have me interface. Me harani me kuda icon hai me nani fenna. So you click here and then it will open up a pop-up. Then it's kuring email address etaga jehima meeting me the detect koffa ekamuko misalaka me email address no jehinama. It will give you the chance to actually look up all your public import koffa hori public keys ta mitana aran import no kongini ka nengene kashe. So that's the big secret. Okay, so now we encrypt it. Encrypt koruma fahuga me email innani kotaki. So this is the email that will be sent through Gmail. Gmail Google Gmail was emina fennani meeti kiyana hen gote ninna nebis mihekashe. So the only person who can read this is the recipient. Aishat. Aishata meeti open kurwane meeti phonoma fahu ahmad kavves me email no kiyana. Meeti a public key cryptography ke advantage key. So once you lock it using the public key, it can only be decrypted using the private key of that pair. So I send this. And we have the message. Let's hope it comes. Okay. All right. So me Demega Ahmad phone the email the key me. And me Hanakas me overlay me harani a me mail develop install ko fenima mail develop install nokon inna nama hama reeti ko fennani me gota texting hen fennani so me kahala me kuda me styling ga me chimi annani a mail develop plugin install ko fenima. So if ehen computer ko me email check ko fiamo noni misaka mobile device ko me email check ko fiamo, the only thing you will see is this text. And if you lose your private key, you will not be able to read this. Private key ke password misala kan hadana tuni. Hadana tichya mona this me email no kiyana. And me email saki abadu ge abada hengota mi honnani store with a Gmail. And so it's up there in the mysterious cloud and it never goes away. Me sirru maalumate bunaya me bunani misalaka vedane me baige medical information of vedane medical practitioners ek doctor ko ane doctor ka phonwa maalumat misalaka vedane me kodakudinna behe maalumata misalaka child care center kon child care center ka misalaka vedane nonia ehin kahala lawyer enage client kura email labis vedane emewa Bikahala halita me intermediary commerce by go benaku and ginafara me email me kuremani. So it's very important to keep private information private. As a secret bonema again tango negative connotation and astan eka mega mana me kurani hagigatoga sirre gota bavan je legitimate ko bavan je eves criminal element ya laugh no me bonani ki. Mega muhimma kamaki. So once it is encrypted, that's it. The only way you can retrieve it is using your private key. So let's see if I can actually read it. So show message miyadiyama mihar miyahani ekkada aishatkare mihani private key pair generate kuriruga originally enter kuri password jahashe. So there you go. So I put the password in and it shows me that email. So once you go away, we have click on the password and I couldn't plug in carrying bonifata any checkbooks temporarily password hana kurashe. Meeti PGP ge ek benu kurane botaki. Then hama igota misalaka me Ahmad Benam Vani Mer Aishat Benam Vani Ahmad Hama secret email Kuram Benam Vechiamo. First Ahmad Jehene Ekadaheng mail developing key pay I generate kofa public key Aishata share Kuram Fahu Kuravan. Hemima Evis Miheka encrypted email Phonoman Benamiamo Jeheni Fortamana Emiheka public key Hoda Ega Fang Phonomani. Okay, so miha hisaban airuga evves kahada suwalen ebenta e denginna baya move on koromoge kurin evves suwalen ebamba niwagutu suwaden netiyamu fahaswal bawalis maslene anahem. If you don't have a burning question right now, I can move on to the next part. Okay, so we have email through community sidru ekawanaka phone ifa. Then phone of faho me visnani ata livum of faho ekihineto securely bahatani. The air hanakas me ambura midani symmetric kriya. A symmetric key encryption mega useful was server key misaka amillayan etche bahatanyamu ehe miheka shiano kuranyamu a key onnane amilla to bekana. So you don't need to share that key with anybody else. It's your own key. And mimaksadattaga hanekkaves me ekala mail valo plugin beenu kuri gota me introduce me kollani Veracrypt kia software. So Veracrypt key ane hanekkaves me bavaru platform tawga beenu kurevene etche Windows, Mac, Linux me major platforms tawga me the beenu kurevene ehem vima me secure ko file computer ga bahatanya beenu kurevidane ekgambi miyagen kuriya dihumoy koren bonalana misadaka mihar already I think since Windows 7 you were able to actually encrypt your hard disk on Windows. Windows beenu korenyamu Windows ga way feature hama hard disk encrypt kurevene by default. I think if you go to your folders or your drive and if you choose turn on BitLocker, yeah, so that's the feature there. So I don't use Windows, so I'm a little bit unfamiliar with it, but on Windows if you enable BitLocker then ega mane ki a hard disk innani fully encrypted. Login for 80 decrypt one. If you forget your login password, then there's no way to get to those files. And a moli hard disk encrypt kuravidana gote. And I got a Linux gavesinnane hama moli volume encrypt kuravena gotta Mac gavechiam file vault enable kofenima moli Mac innani encrypt kureva. And misadaka laptop vechiam laptop baganigi. Noniamung computer mi fonowani commerce hardware fihareka computer hadan hala kode fonowara beenamen nove hard disk horichi dakka kashe ehem vechiyamu mikota BitLocker kalechi enable kolla fa ino waram muhimmo eron private information honna private ko ituru miheka noy wadevene kashe ei wara broad ko beenu kore vidana use case ekamko misalaka beenu wani mikotan anna secrets noni emails noni waki records take folder gota encrypt ko for bahatta nonia kuda packaging hen computer uga encrypt kolla bahatta emen file lambenum vechiamo e vault ek gotan hada e ekane milani anenge moli hard disk encrypt ko fe innani kieno noni adi moli hard disk encrypt ko fe income uga vs megota kuda file hen mehen gengole he miharo file create kolla fa then adikiyal denan ege hunnana by henkala advantages the misalaka full disk encrypt kurumuge iturum and Veracrypt ki hama free software you can download it from the internet so Veracrypt beenu kurar furta mi hada gotaki deme bunihen container ek halechme create kurani. So first you go to volumes and create a new volume. So volume agamane ki mebunahen volume create kuruma fahuga bisnada a C drive noni D drive noni ekahada drive gota bisnada and hama volume create kuruma for you can see the encrypted volume just like a drive on your computer. So first we will go and create an encrypted file container make aburi hang option service egi kankama beeno korevidan ekam hori hatches එක මියදු කොනදාන මේ වකි use case එක මියදු මේ target මේ කරන්නේ and furthermore create a volume hanekas hidden volume එක වරබඩ standard volume එක මිදානි hidden volume එක බේනම කි මිසාලක encrypt කොෆ හොරි file තක computer එක හොරි යමුන් ඒ encryption ගේ තෙරේක අදි hidden volume create korevidan. Mane ki encrypt koffene the huluma fahoves ehen etchen eta income and engena hidden volume create koffiam. Baika the hadetan asdane ehen hadam muhim vedan hadeta. A by Gamutoga Ganon on Gotum Vechiamon Eba Majuburuwe encrypt Kofohon key Havalpura. Eka the Hal the Dima Vechiamo. Nonia on by Gamutoga border cross Koraroga Eba Naga electronic devices. All these things depend on the laws of the land. Ginafahara, you don't have a choice, but you have to give. Ekamako ekkala furatama kolli suwalu kobato value ki e secrets ge ehme e secret kommen hadafes bahatten jeheche misalaka intelligence a golum horiyeche noniyamun siyasi miheku travel kurani political miheku dani so these confidential information could be very sensitive if it falls to somebody else's hands ehme ekada hadettawga key then majbur vikamuga vis eka hidden volume and inekamunne, then there's nothing to reveal. So they cannot prove there's something hidden there. Make a use case second hore eka mere the ekashan odana mere me badadan is standard veracrypt volume here. So you create a standard veracrypt volume, the default going eti. So select file ga mane ki mehar eti me create me kurani file and computer hoga. So we select where you want to save that special encrypted file. So me demo attaka me haro desktop ka me create me kollani. So me am me kiyani ga kiyam Vault 1. So I'm calling it Vault 1. A file save one desktop. Click next. Then me encrypt kuraro ga benum kurani kong algorithm ekka mega burani. So Veracrypt getting advantage ki vara bav algorithms tang ega hore difa. So AES ki vara hamagina zaman banding standardized algorithm the ega faham and ehing algorithms tavis ebhore com algorithm megaves advantages or disadvantages are hunnane. Then me har buying etchiga fennane egg algorithm over a gina etchiga nanja funnata. Saka me AES are two fisher. De algorithm benukon e defaharan encrypt kurani. Encrypt kuraro mi kura masakada ki computer on bavar mathematical calculations again heduma for hard disk ge hunna bits HME manipulate me kurani. Ehmema e masakada ki computer processor vara load wana kame. Misalaka emme fulugennet naga fiam ting algorithm misal ting algorithm negema computer en kura masakke ginawana ehen hsawal emema eha high end computer no nama noniya mon evara safe puranje hech no nama fahrega computation cost badaruga noniya mon computer domba war badaf noniya mon war bodu file veje war gineru veda net huluwan bes emema ekala kankama vein koffa you can choose which algorithm to use. So every one of these algorithms are public algorithms. Maneki ege masakke kurago emmenavesingene because it is publicly known. The advantage is when an algorithm is public, then the cryptographic community can verify whether it is a safe algorithm. So that's the test for any algorithm. Any cryptographic algorithm, eti crypto expert on eti balaha bunan ami rangalo algorithm deke. Hemema then me ufedes wala ki then algorithm engenyamun then enguniyen nuhe egamako aslahage yatoga algorithm magge encryption algorithm magge strength ki algorithm masakke koraga engumenno e benu kura key hori have setcheki. Hemema key strong wa hidegga then you're okay. So for the purpose of the demo, I'll just choose AES, our default code, because we just want to keep this fast. And the hashing algorithm as well, you've got a few options there. I'm just leaving it as default. You can click here and just read up on those algorithms, enrich your knowledge, find out which one suits you best. The miharo mi bunani kiha varegge volt ekka me create me kurani. Eme misalaka vara bavaro Word documents danyamu misalakan ehabodu file bena men nuedane. Ekamuko video, images, mikalechi store koranyam benam vedana tankola bodu volt. And so it depends on what you want to store there. So I'm going to just put 100 MB there. And then, so we'll create a small vault in there. Okay. Ami password ki kurimbune. E nota kurimbune nama key kimi. So again, I'll put my very weak password. You should not do this. I don't want to forget the password. That's why we are doing. So if this was a real system, you would use a longer and stronger password. Plenty of guides out there about how to create a complicated long password. Next, it's already giving me a warning saying that it's a silly password. Okay. So this is where it's generating random seeds. You can keep on shaking your mouse, but just to save time, I'm just going to go ahead. The miharo mitaga visnaje cheki file system ga me bunani a volume ga ekada kurim buniheng driving hen fennane me bunani eme Windows ka hala echega nama beno kuranama eya compatible drive nagun lagalo Mac ka beno kuranyam hanekas Mac ka compatible eche beno kuragalo bike ka hala file systems natively noni by default support nokofane misaka NTFS support nokofane Mac ga noni yamo Linux ga ituru software nala eme ekahata ka visnafa mitaga negun lagalo me fetta ki hama huriha platform ekha gotaka beno kurevene eche. So I'm just choosing FAT for now. So again, you have that flexibility to choose what file system you want. Okay, so click format. Now it's creating the file system inside this file. This is the file we just created. Volume has been created. Okay, anyway. So the volume is created. Now we no longer need the wizard. We have a 80 mount column. So mi listo mi fennani huriha free drive letters Windows gavecchiamu available Mac kahala echege beno kuranyamu mi kudoko tafatu kong innani. So it depends on the platform that you are using. So we start by selecting the file. It's on the desktop. Where is it? Okay, so Vault 1 a create kori Vault key. Vault ge size badale fengen 100 MB annani a kuring create kuri 100 MB. So once I do that, I've selected, let's choose H drive. Okay, mount. Now it's asking me for the password. A Vault create kuriruga in password me. So entering my silly password and there it is. Miharo endi mount kurefa. Password nobako jihinamaka mihina noane. So once you go here, you can see that is the drive there. Me vara convenient gote encrypted volume create kurum. Me iti huluvaluma fahama just like any drive, you can drag and drop files as you wish. Then mega visnala jihena tankola ki mega mendi fenna miharo a drive ge space. Meete depend on kuring create kuri Vault ge size. Then me har suwale ki kiven he migota file create kurambe. Mega advantage ki har me den alamba varaka benu varaka file ala nimunima then benum vani drive close kuram. So mihin huluwa finda ehem mihiku computer use kofiamu emihika access veven. So if you are leaving your computer or if you shut it down, of course it's fine. Account them miharo abudu's computer miunani on kofa eme computer duradanyamo a see that kollafa dismount kollane. So dismount kollima, once you do that, it's gone. It's no longer open. and all the files that you put is in here. Now to the use case. The use case is now you can actually transport this file anywhere you want. It's very portable and it is encrypted. So all the secrets that you put into that file, a H drive and misalaka Dropbox alli, misalaka OneDrive alli, noni misalaka attachment එකෙන් එහෙ මීහක ෆොනවි. නෝනියම pen drive එක අලාගෙන මෙගෙන් ගොලයි. එහම pen drive අද ගෙල්ලුණු කමක වියස් your secret stuff is still safe. And මේක advantage එකයි මිසාක මේ full disk encrypt කරමුගේ බේනොම සොවේ ඒව සම මුහිම්මකම කුරංජේ හාදත්තවග එක මිහින් හෙදියම් වාගොතක තංකොල බෑවරු use case එක මේති useful වනේ. So that's why we want to use the vault feature. Kurin kiya dinwa ki PGP beno koggen public key cryptography beno koggen securely email kuranagoy. Then email on anna sirruta filing HNIS then eti computer uga rakka kurani kihinetto eba mihar mikawa kuri meegen. So using Veracrypt. Again, misalka Windows ek computer uga beno kurani Windows then noniyam work gosami beno kurani commerce platform common platform beno kuri kamuga vs Veracrypt install ko fe iniyamu you can always access your vault, and once you mount it, it will always be that file system which you use to create the volume. Okay, so I think that covers all the encryption stuff. Okay. Okay, so ahan evis suwalen gotto me kurin ki encryption a behe goto. Evis topic ka behe goto. While we wait, let's we will move. I think okay. There is a chat. All right, let me see. Screen share kolla finna chat no fene. Okay. BitLocker is only available on Pro version. Yeah, probably yes. I'm not sure about Home Edition or others. My choice of platform is Linux and Mac. Windows user Home Edition I think I recall something like that. It is not available. So again, ekada hadate guess Veracrypt ka vechiamu beno kurevene. So Veracrypt aki kuriga nama meet beno kura nama kuriga ulonu product a TrueCrypt kiyache then ega security issues taken uleti ega fahun hedi nuken fork me Veracrypt aki. So this is the later version and it is actively being developed. So this is really good software for you to keep your files secure. Okay, so maybe you'll think of a question later or we'll move on to the next part. I have final part, a steganography. Right, meharo encrypt kurima me encrypt koffa inna file vechiamu eba fene me encrypt koffa in email. Mega eba fene meeti kiya kannenge ye meeti mindi encrypt koffa. Emima ehisabon eba inge komme sirre badalu koffikan komme sirre exchange koffikan ekaku anekaka erum heti erum vesiyati komme smallum mate reveal vefa. And steganography ge en advantage ki secrets eba share kurave secrets horika nengi. mibuna echega maana ki furtamanu kiyadena kobakan steganography ki by far steganography encryption na by mu synonymous ko benu kora ekam e mulin deche basically bunanama me right kalifen hide stuff in other stuff asoga me ආමුකෝ මීහුන්නන් අඩු ඉවැනි ෆොටෝ එක්ග එහෙන් එච්චෙක් හයිඩු කොර විධානේ මිසාලක ෆොටෝග්‍රාෆෙක්ග පික්සල්ස් තවගේ කුල බදල් කොක්ගෙන් වියස් නෝනී යාමුන් ඒගේ එහෙන් කහල වෙලියුස්තක බදල් කොක්ගෙන් නම වෙස් ඒ ෆොටෝග්‍රාෆ්ග ඩිජිටල් ෆොටෝ එක්ග මේ හයිඩු මි කොරණී එහෙන් මවලුමාතේ ඒ හයිඩු කොර අනෙන් මවලුමාතකී කොම්ම කහල ෆයිලිකස් වෙදාන කොම්පියුටරුගෙන්න මිසාලක ටෙක්ස්ට් ෆයිල් මිසාලක වර්ඩ් ඩොකියුමන්ට් Benomiamo photo egge side kore vidana noniamo audio file mp3 file noni wave file ge hide kore vidana noni video file ge hide kore vidana then hama ya ko text ge ves hide kore vidana misalaka me articles te me emna fenna gota liefina article lega lief hunna text ge ves එබහුරි මෙහර හයිඩු කොරවන ටෙක්නික්ස් ෆුදවරක ගෙන අහරුත වෙච්ච මීචීත රිසර්ච් කොරයම දාතා හාසකෝ මේ පර්ෂන් කහල ලැංග්වේජස් තවගේ යුනිකෝඩ් වැලියස් බේනම් කොක්ගෙන් වෙස් එබහුරි බයි කහල මාලුමාත් හයිඩු කොෆා දැන් ඕනියාම ටෙක්ස්ට් ස්පේසිං බේනම් කොක්ගෙන් එබහුරි හයිඩු කොෆා එහෙනම් මිකහල එකි කහල ගොග්ගොත මීහුන් එච්චි හයිඩු කොරණී මේ කුරිමතින් ෆෙන්න හුරේරොස් නේගෙන me echen hide koffa hori kame asu steganography ge emme interesting tankolaki it's very hard to detect that something is hidden in these digital media so that gives an added advantage for someone who wants to hide something confidential so we'll have a look at an example for that okay so steganography is hanaka kurimbunihen encryption gaves me benam me kurani key ehme waragina steganographic algorithms sang eburi hedifa then me echi hide kurumaga iturun steganography eburi benam kofa malware noniyamu computer virus echi spread kurambes me bunahen computer virus sang hide kofa me fonwani image kalla fonwema antivirus එක නේගේ ඒක hide kofa income so there are advantages for using steganography for various reasons. Okay. One other thing before I go to the demo, by far of steganography, ekko benukura hembahe watermarking kiwes. Ekam watermarking ge use case namuni ed benukura magusada steganography benukura magusada muling tafata dekamenge. Ei watermark ellafiyamo eba beenuwe emmenna ingen meega watermark inka e watermark ge beenamaki me waki kahala waki mihe getcheke noniyama digital rights embed kurambegen eba watermark koffe ekam stego ki lafiyama lafi inkan inge ka beenamenno so it is sirrek gotan enomaki stego ge maksada kiya okay so let's move on to the demo so Windows ka work kura stego eche tayyara nokollewuno me demo kashen ehme me demo me mogodu beno kurani ubuntu noni komme kala linux distribution akum wes me beno kollewen so kurim bonihen steganography ge bavaru algorithms ta me hada bole then wara mashhur en algorithm ki outguess kiya eche so outguess ki ebuna fuderaka duas veche develop kofe nata de miharo wara babu research kurave steganography detect kura ei mibuna hen echega hide kofe enka nengen amun ete beno kurana wara babu gotten hunnane den egen meno mam egenje service hunnane ei misalaka information leak kuram beno miyamun ebhuri bike hala case tawga confidential PDF documents mp3 files taka lafa hide koffa me email me kurani ehme company email me fennani mp3 file data kala confidential document data ne no me fennani ki ehme organization ge dana policy en email ga da evs PDF file en email no korevega ekam mp3 file abu fonobe ehme me gotan adha me fonwani the noniyamun illegal contents eba downloadable kore HSLF embed koffa. Anyway, so there are various reasons why you want to know if somebody is actually using this. Okay, so Outguess is not installed by default, but you can download the source, compile it, Noniamo, Amuko, Linux distributions, the Hunna repositories, takung, you can just install it. Outguess include Kofahunna, Amuko Hama, Gina common distribution server, you will be able to just install it without adding any additional repository. Mega they already install Koffa. Anyway, then install Kura step. So Mega Dakala Benovani Miharo Misalaka Minani photo. Mitiga Benum Vani me text hide Kura. Mihara Mifenani Alice in Wonderland ge Furatama chapter ekko. So it's got about Fudevaraka Bavar text me, Gandaka 264 lines of text. And Furatama chapter Alice in Wonderland. So it's fairly big. Then me photo ganda ki ananghem Fuderaka high resolution ge photo ganda. Then Mivahaga mi Bunelisa was Kuderukolokum Bunalana. Amuko Miharo phone photo and negias for there like a high resolution. It's very common to find high resolution images everywhere. And hinga frutamano Outguess etchang hide kollando. So the command to hide is Outguess and Kurimves Bunihan slide dakka miavis beno key. So a key Outguess embed kurara beno kura password. Then a password beno kogging algorithm decide kurani photo gandu ke kontakuto me the hide kurambi. And mihara midahadane misalaka secret. Okay, so I just some pretend password, secret key, and what you want to actually hide. And hide kuram beno vani and a Alice in Wonderland ge text. And where the text file is known as comments, hen kaha HBS benamiam hide koravidana ega. Yeah, that me hide korave content to ge varu dakkalam vegen asluga mihara me example le gota me benam me korane mite. Then input image ki island JPG, then output ka midhani higa jahan island 2 JPG. Okay, so this is the output. This is the input. Okay, once you do that, it will show you some information, and then this is the output. Okay, miharo mitu holwalima lolakan evvis tafata nofennane. Okay, lolakan evvis tafata nofennane ege advantage ki then miti detect kura kahala software takon detect kurambes warang udagu. Impossible then no warang udagu then hisabadi dana. Isaka me list me kolla most of the information will be fairly identical except if you look at it, file size is not the same. And the mihar me benam bukara MD5 sammaki ekkada me file egge fingerprint nekon kahala kame mihar me balane me horiya files takegge fingerprint bala rebafene me de file ki hama completely two different files ka ekam ko bala me heka nuen ingena do kom file egge kame hide ko fene kiye then anek kame ki hide ko fene file ge size was kuda anek file avore a Outguessum JPEG file along encode kureruga itura compress ko fendi aslo ei vefen gotaki ekam compression na ekkoves and the file size kuda efa me Alice in Wonderland ge a chapter ega hide kuruma fa. So the whole chapter is already there in this file, and that's a lot of information. And then mita alone retrieve kuranyamu hama you use the same password. So misalakan island 2 mi fonovi ehem miheka. Miyati wara read the photo ganda ke kiya. So nobody will actually suspect there's something hidden in that file. So you can just use, I'm going to use the same, you will need the same key to actually extract it. What did I use? Secret key. Okay, so that's the file where the secret is hidden. Then output ka mejani extract kura secret. Then output kura vieti. So extracted.txt. And a miharo misalaka hemiheka phoneme and a me retrieve me kurani. So once you do that, this is the file that was retrieved. Okay, so this is the one me extracted text key ekal island doing extract kuriyati. And miharo along hekka singa hash badala. No hash badala eba fene extracted txt elissa date identical. So it is able to retrieve it bit for bit accurately from that embedded file. So big advantage is this is fairly accurate, spot on, and it's very sophisticated because you are not able to detect it. Hey, computer misalaka meheko wagannagi noniyamo meheka egori content majburuvi hawal kuriyes steganography beanokogan hydrocophium, it's very difficult to actually detect. So misalaka, I mean, there are ways you would find out, but if you have got thousands of images, how would you even know which image is used? Computer image, no? It's very hard to actually know that. Then Kurimves bunning me the detect kurevana gwettang hore a hama vara boda research kurave daira me. Then misalaka demmega me embed kuriyati mebuna successful called detect algorithms takon detect koffane a vara bavar maluma to me ega embed me kuri. Gagandaka bunanyamum 49% embed kureven huri tantanu gagandaka 49% malumat change of a image. Engotaka bonanama original file structure and eha vara changes as such. So it's like creating a ripple, and the more ripples you make, it's easier to actually detect it. Eka misalaka me Alice file ki vara kuda file and nama, right? So if you are sending someone a secret code, then it will be such a small file. And then the amount of information, a photo in Badalkuran information is vara maduan ehemvema detection becomes almost impossible. Okay, so mihara midakka the extreme case ekam kudukuda malumat embed kofiamu, it's just totally impossible to hide. So outguess ke iturum bavarahin algorithms of sure Windows platform gave sure hama GUI lava adi eg iturum phone eptavis meha rabuhuri buying app store tauga steganography benakola. So me malumatu ge maksada ki secrets legitimate gotoga privacy maintain kunume gotam confidential malumat rakka kurevana gotta ehema. So that's the main purpose of all the information that's being presented here. Okay, so I am going to leave it there and open the mic for any questions. I've been rambling for 1 hour, 40 minutes. I think everybody's fallen asleep.
Or maybe it was just too interesting that people are still digesting it.
Just out of curiosity, evs kombe miharos PGP beenon kurani. Eba uleta beenon kurani. Toni mi demo kuri tinetin kure evs che beenon kuraba ke buleta.
Someone had mentioned in the chat that they use HubSpot.
Sorry, what?
That they use HubSpot.
HubSpot, what's that for?
No idea. This was when you were demonstrating on a mail.
Okay. So probably a PGP client.
Aslo HubSpot ane kas ERP edo sales. I
Okay.
don't know how it is security.
Right. Then misalka mail develop kala ichi beenon kuravane corporate email account service. A hamaken beenon vani email address ka thaive fa inna keep hai. Evema me enterprise level ga noniyamu organization terega me PGP solution and nethiyamu ves secure kon ehem miheku lavva misaga out organization berum miheku beenum vani email the phone one beenum vechiyama you can just generate your own key pair. For example, for me, I use my university email address, and if somebody wanted to send me an encrypted email, a university address assign the key share kore me meheka email kore. So it's not just restricted to the public emails. Of course, there are other email encryption services like Proton email available, but that's a different kind of use case.
Sualek no then, but I was thinking, me are organization ga horadana the policies against using a kala.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh no. So horedan hai buniyama.
No. So it's possible though we should be aware though before
Sorry?
using. So we should be aware though before using Misalaka for your work.
Yes, that's right. So that's a very important point because your organization may have some policy that prevents you from using anything that would prohibit for example, the IT department to actually view it. So it will totally depend on that particular organization. Buying organizations key escrow service. Key you have to share it with the escrow agent, your private key. So it depends very much from organization to organization. If you are in charge of an organization and if you are responsible to monitoring email communication, you have to ask yourself, is there something in my policy that prevents users from doing this? So if it's not there, they're free to do it. It's not a problem. Ekamoko organization ge internal policy go vedana huriya email communication aki kiyenje hena ittisse ehem vecche halategga. Yes. So it depends on how those policies are made. And only on demand, misaga private key share koranje hena ye bunum vesei hama egotaves bendidana hama policy. So it will depend on your organization, your culture, and those kind of variables. But that's a very, very good point.
Thank you. Unfortunately, we don't make the policies.
Then you are free to use it.
No. I mean, the Hembeta policy hadani. So yeah. For me, I should be aware what they have written in the policy.
That's right. Yeah.
Ahmed, there's another question on the chat.
Okay.
I think this is related to steganography. When extracting the file, how do you know to which file type to extract to?
Okay. So first of all, if I share a file with somebody, Kuri bag ebeje me stego create kureruga embed kuri key ebeje share kuran kura eruga, you can actually give that information to that person. Commerce kota kaedi bone denje. Misalakan kuring me run kuri command. Etiga me jehi mudin no ba file type. Yes, eti work kuran because it doesn't care what extension, for example. Oh my God. Okay. I thought I forgot my password. Okay. Misaka me jahi oligin me jahi JPG. Okay. Text file ke balaga JPG jahi. It still works. It will still extract it. It doesn't matter what extension you put. At the end of the day, me extension aki operating system of bada hai. Ekamoko. You still output the content of that JPG file, you will still see a text file. And misalkan nubako devonu kamagas eta output kurane eka mihin hadafa double click of holowan ola fiam faharga bunadana I don't recognize it. Eka hada inconvenience nakumedana eka you still have to pre-share the secret. A secret key ebeje pre-share kuran. A steganography in a loophole. That's a weakness there. So how would you share that key? Use a PGP email to actually send that key to somebody. A has done a good thing.
Adi swale. Varakuda swale.
Yep.
The Veracrypt kota ege equivalent and HF4 phone ga use kuram. Do you have any recommendation?
That's a good question. I actually don't know. Veracrypt ge epeng innakam and innakam vis nenge. Honestly, I don't know. But if I do find out, I'll find some way to share that information. Okay. A phone ge the miharo me habod issue and non kannege ekamoko phone ge na mebod issue ki obviously a computation power fudera kadda. But nowadays the phones are really good. And if it's not there already, there will probably be something very soon. Yeah, I don't know if something like Veracrypt is there. There could be. So good chance there might be something.
And also, Ahmad, I don't think you were able to see the chat, right? There's a statement by Shyam. He says that they had used TrueCrypt around 2011 and 12.
Hang on, I actually found the chat window now.
Oh, thank God. There are quite some comments
okay,
over there.
So where are we? When extracting, how do you know which file? Okay, Hisabu go see use GPG curiosity. Okay. All right, thanks. Actually, you've been all right. We use TrueCrypt around 2011, 2012. Yes. TrueCrypt ehataga oluni. Ega fahangeng eti. I think they found a vulnerability in it and they stopped for a while and then Veracrypt came out after that. So that's true. Even I remember using TrueCrypt back in the day. Okay, we use HubSpot. Okay, now thanks for that. Actually, I didn't know there was a clause in the criminal code, we have to hand over password. From what I recall, Niall, there was a very high-profile politician who were asked to provide the key or PIN for the phone, and I think he refused it. I don't know if there were any consequences for that. So maybe there is some loophole in there. I don't know. Yeah, but that's interesting to know. Thank you for that. Hamajagino was Australia gaya UK ga ganon ga vara strongly in the police and bunafihamo edenje. So if you don't give it, then you'll be in trouble. Yeah. And I think everybody has lost maybe one or more USB keys sometime in their life, right? And I'm sure you lose sleep over it because you don't know, first of all, what was in those USB keys. So it's in those instances where you feel so much better if you use something like encryption on those devices. I think we've reached the limit. Have we?
Yeah, if there are no more questions, I think we should wind up for the night, right?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it's like late over there in Australia right now.
Oh, it's only 2:37.
Yeah. 2:37 a.m. Yeah. Thank you, Ahmadina, for giving us your time and sharing your knowledge on this topic. And
it was my pleasure. Thank you.
Given the time zones and the differences, it's really appreciated.
No problem.
And thank you everybody for joining us for the session. And we hope that you've learned something new. And apply Quran and yeah, good night. See you all on the next Wednesday session.
Yeah. Thank you.